Here is great news for anyone and everyone doing business in the East. Zim Papers has the perfect solution for you. A 2-in-1 solution. Killing 2 birds with 1 stone. The long and the short of it is, we give you an opportunity not only to be seen, but also to be heard.
Haha, mafana. Como conseguimos, Dad?
서울 고해랭가 이뻐보가 저 선두로 때려라 파나.
Kujiba.
지롱 파나.
So, that's the long and the short of it. Zim Papers gives you radio and newspaper advertising solutions. Diamond FM and Manika Post. It's the perfect advertising solution.
So, be seen, be heard. Give us a call today on 020-612-12 or cell numbers 0774-029-953. Alternatively, 0772-932-980 or email marketing@diamondfm.co.zw or post ads at manikapost.co.zw. Be seen, be heard.